What up, y'all? It's your boy Chef Ken here, and I'd like to welcome y'all back to another episode of Cooking with the Homies. On today's episode, I'm knocking out another soup, another one of my favorites. This is a lasagna soup, all right? This is something quick, easy to do. I'm gonna make a small recipe so you can make it for you, your family of 2 or 4, all right? So, first things first, we're gonna go ahead and get some oil in our pot. I love to cook with olive oil, all right? Put a little bit of oil in there, let it get hot. All right, and for this recipe, I'm gonna do Italian sauces. Now, you can use ground beef, ground turkey, ground lamb, whatever the hell you wanna use ground, you can use it. For me, I'm gonna do this with a ground sausage, all right? Now, these are 3 sausage links. I took out the casings. Once we got them in there, we're just gonna smash it on up. All right, so now that our sausage is a little brown, we're gonna go ahead and add our onion. This is a 1/2 cup of diced onion. All right, so now we're gonna add about 2 or 3 cloves of minced garlic. Squeeze that thing, get it up in there. Now we're just gonna mix that garlic in there. All right, now we got our garlic in there. You basically let it sit for 30 seconds, and now you wanna add all your liquid base. So we're gonna start with 2 cups of chicken broth. Right? Okay. A cup of crushed tomatoes. If you scrape all of that out the bottom, you don't want to leave none of that deliciousness behind. We're gonna do about a tablespoon of tomato paste. Then we're gonna add about a tablespoon of dried oregano, a tablespoon of dried basil leaves, about a tablespoon of crushed red pepper. You can add more or less depending on your spice level. Now we're just gonna mix all of that in there. And you wanna basically bring that up to a boil, simmer. All right, now that that's come to a boil, we're gonna take about 2 or 3 lasagna sheets. We're gonna break them up, and then we're gonna throw them in there, all right? All right, now we're gonna reduce our heat. All right, gonna reduce our heat, and we're gonna let that simmer, all right? Stir it up a little bit. It's already looking good, man. Then we're gonna let that simmer for like 10 to 12 minutes. All right, so while that's working and simmering, we're gonna go ahead and get our cheese mix together. All right, so we're gonna start with a 1/2 cup of ricotta cheese. Bam. Then we're gonna do 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. Then we're gonna do some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. All right, then a little salt, about a pinch of salt, a pinch of ground black pepper, and then we're just gonna mix that really well. And that's that. Now we're just gonna wait for that soup to finish, all right? All right, so it's been about 12 minutes. Let's go ahead and pop the top off that thing and see what it do, all right? Magic hour. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That looks good, baby. That key, you just basically want to make sure that the lasagna sheets are nice and tender, which these are, and we're good to go. Now we about to plate this thing, all right? We go ahead and set this to the side, and we're gonna throw this in a bowl so I can taste it and see what it do and let you know if you should make it too, all right? Damn, look at that. Oh, wait. Now that's a lasagna soup, baby. Yes, Lord. Put a little fresh basil on top of that thing. And voila. That looks amazing. Get some pictures of it. I'm about to dig into this thing and see what it do, alright? Of course I'm gonna let you know if it's fire or not. Look at that. Oh, wait. Look at that. Nice and meaty. It's ready to go. Let me get some of this cheese mix in there. Look at that. Alright, let me see what it do. Oh my God. God damn. Boy. Oh, I didn't even get none of the lasagna. Let me get some of that. Look at that. Gotta get that lasagna in there. It's not a lasagna soup without the lasagna. Let me see. I have no words. That's fire. That's amazing. If you love lasagna and you love soup, they basically just made a baby. And this is perfection. Do yourself a favor, do your family a favor. Go follow this recipe below and make this yourself. Make this for your family. You could take credit for it. I don't give a damn. Just show them the video later. But I promise you, you're gonna love me. You're gonna love yourself. Your family's gonna love you. Because this is amazing. Listen, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Follow on all social media platforms at @IM_Chef Kim. And please, 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 show me some love in the comments, man. This is amazing. Let me know what you think. I'm done talking because I want to keep eating. Y'all have a good night. I love y'all. I'll see you on the next episode, all right? Peace out. Chris, you can't have none.